Hello, guys. This is the third day since this incident happened, and we are still yet to get a relevant information from the police as how to get most of the things that were collected from by these hoodlums. I don't actually know if this is going to work out, but I'm just praying because till now we are yet to get any information from police, from anyone at all, how or where these people took any of these materials or any of these properties or any of the things that they took, where they dumped them or where they dumped them or what they want to use them to do. Like, I know, seriously, I'm trying to smile. I'm trying to get over some things like you all have told me, but at a point I have prayed over this. I have tried to think that nothing has happened, but each time it it keeps ringing in my head, and I don't actually know what to do. Like, I have never dreamt of this for myself, and I have never thought this would come my way just this way, but I'm actually facing it at this moment. But I don't just know what to do. I just wish help could come. Like, seriously, these people didn't leave even a pin for me. That is even why I'm being bothered. Like, they didn't leave even a pin. Like, nothing. At least something to look up to and say, okay, at least I have this one. Let me just start with these ones. Gosh, this is so bad. And I'm still staying in somebody's place at the moment, just trying to hold myself. What is all this? Like, seriously, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. But I just try to make sure that I just kind of put up a smiling face, like try to think that nothing has happened. But actually, it's not even trying. It's not even that working at all. But I know a lot of people have told me to kind of pray and fast and do all sort of things, which I have tried doing. But I just hope this work. I just hope that help comes, and I just hope something good comes. Like, everyone have told me that this is a stepping stone to a better tomorrow. I just hope so, because right now I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't just know how I'm feeling. Like, I feel like it's over, and I feel like it's better. But I hope faith shines on me. I hope good things comes my way. I hope for good tidings. Like, it's well. But thank you all for all the good messages. I appreciate.